In this tutorial video, I will be showing you all how to crochet rows for this viral crochet blanket. Materials required: you can choose any color yarn and hook. Okay, start with 13 chains. Skip the 3 chains and in the 4th chain do 1 DC. Now do 2 DCs in the next chain. Okay, so 1 DC and now the second DC in the same chain. Now in all the remaining chains you have to do 3 DC in each chain. Okay, 3 DC in one chain. So 1, then in the same chain the second DC, and then the third one in the same chain. Okay, so continue the same till you reach the last chain. You can notice as you crochet the rows is formed. So continue the same pattern, that is 3 DC in one chain. Once you are done, do one chain and cut the yarn, but leave some yarn so that it will be helpful for you to stitch the rows. Okay, now tighten it. Now you have to assemble the rows. Okay, it will look somewhat like this, and then you have to insert the needle and stitch all over it to fix it, and then you can attach it to the viral crochet blanket. So this is how it will look after you stitch the rows. Okay, you all can see. Okay, so your crochet viral blanket rose is ready. Thank you for watching.